What temperature should I set my convection oven when using a glass baking dish?
Hello, dear viewers. Today we're going to discuss a question that comes up often when using convection ovens and glass baking dishes. What temperature should I set my convection oven when using a glass baking dish? This question is important because different types of cookware require different temperatures and times for optimal baking, and glass is no exception.
What is a convection oven?
First, let's quickly go over what a convection oven is. A convection oven is an oven that has a fan and exhaust system that blows hot air around the food. This system is what sets it apart from the traditional radiant oven. The advantage of a convection oven is that it can cook food more evenly, more quickly, and at lower temperatures than conventional ovens.
How does glass cookware behave?
Now, let's talk about glass cookware. Glass is a good conductor of heat, but it retains heat much longer than metal. This means that when you use a glass baking dish, your food continues to cook even after you take it out of the oven. That's why it's important to adjust the temperature and time when using a glass dish. Typically, you want to reduce the temperature by about 25 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 degrees Celsius, compared to what you would use for a metal baking pan.
Setting your convection oven temperature.
Now, combining these two pieces of information, how should you set your convection oven when using a glass baking dish? Well, convection ovens already advise reducing the temperature by 25 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 degrees Celsius, compared to traditional ovens. So, if you're using a glass dish in a convection oven, you would reduce the temperature by 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 30 degrees Celsius, from what the recipe originally calls for in a traditional oven with metal bakeware. For example, if a recipe calls for baking at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, in a metal dish in a traditional oven, you'd want to bake at 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Celsius, in a convection oven using a glass dish. There you have it. Adjusting your convection oven temperature when using a glass dish isn't too tricky. It's all about understanding how these appliances and materials work. Remember, reduce by 25 degrees Fahrenheit for the convection oven, and another 25 degrees Fahrenheit for the glass dish. Happy baking! I hope this video has made your baking experience a little bit easier. See you next time!